Guys, it's Blair. Thank y'all so much for tuning back into my channel. Today we're going to be doing like my natural hair product collection slash stash. I'm very excited for y'all to see all this. I posted it on Instagram and y'all, I got so many comments from my followers. They were like, girl, you have way too many products. And I was like, I don't even have enough. I have more on the way. I really do have more on the way, y'all. It's ridiculous. Let's just get started. I think I'm just gonna maybe like rate each one of them on a scale of 0 to 5, and that way y'all can see if I would buy the products again. If this video gets too long, I will probably like half it into like 2 different videos. I don't want y'all to be bored sitting here watching these. It might not be too bad because some of these are like duplicate products, but yeah. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already done so, and share this video. Let's just get started. Get started with the main choice collection. I want to do this in a way it makes sense. I don't want to just reach for a main choice and then reach for Miel. So let's just get started with the main choice. Let's start with the Healthy Hair Regimen Boosting Kit. I have this. I brought this because finally Amber used it in one of her videos. I'm not going to rate this one. However, I have used it once. I don't really know if it did what it claimed it to do, but I do have it in my collection, so I just wanted to show it to you guys. All right, so next we have the Core collection. I have the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Conditioner. I have the Easy on the Curls Detangling Hydration Shampoo. I have the Soft as Can Be 3-in-1 Revitalize and Refresh Conditioner. And I also have the Multivitamin Scalp Nourishing Growth Oil. Let's talk about this Detangling Hydration Conditioner first. I use conditioners mainly when my hair is extremely like tangled, mainly like after a protective style or after braiding. Most of the time I just skip from shampoo straight to deep conditioning, but when I do need it, I will use it. This is pretty good at helping to detangle when I need it to be a detangler, so I would give this a 4. This is the Detangling Hydration Shampoo, and it says what it says. I was not a believer that shampoos can be detangling, but this helps detangle your hair. It does not strip your hair. It keeps it nice and moisturized. This is a pretty good shampoo, and I have only like that much left of it, and I would buy this again. I would rate this as a 4.5. Next, we have that 3-in-1 conditioner. I only use this as a leave-in because I think this is an amazing leave-in. You know, Main Choice has a lot of great leave-ins. It does. It really does. This is a staple though, y'all. You should have this in your collection. It makes your hair soft, makes it feel good. It's just nice and moisturizing, y'all. I recommend this to everyone to have in their collection. I would give it like a 4.8. This oil, I only typically use the oil when I'm like sealing my hair. I would use it like when I have to oil my scalp. I wouldn't say I'm a heavy oil user, but I do use it. You know, I feel like everybody should have some oil in their stash somewhere. I have brought like 4 of these. I would continue to buy this. It's pretty good. I would rate this as a 4 because it's just oil. Next, we have the Main Choice Hair Type 4-Leaf Clover Manageability and Softening Remedy Mask. Amazing. This is like one of their best hair masks. Gross, there's some hair on it. This is one of their best hair masks they have. It's a little expensive, but I mean, when your products are worth it, I will pay the money for them. I think that this is a great mask. You can see I only have a little bit left. Y'all look at that. I don't know how I got over there, but it's great, y'all. And also, this is like a collection for type 4 hair, and I have type 4 hair, so I just love it. And as you can see, I also have their styling cream, and I have the hair type 4-leaf clover leave-in cream. I have 3 of those because they're amazing. I think that's all I have from that collection. I did have some other things from it, but I think I might have used them up. But this will be a 5 in my book. This styling cream, I would rate this as a 4.5. I use this when I have to like retwist my hair after my twist out might have messed up. But you can use it, you know, straight as a twist out. It's a little bit thinner than one of my favorite creams. But y'all, it's still good and moisturized, and it smells so good. I like this a lot. I think I want to try this on a flexi rod set because it's still thin. It's not as thick as the rest of them, but we'll see. What I say, 4.5. These, as you can see, I have 3 of them, so that means something special. Y'all gotta try it. Just try it if you have not tried it already. I would give this a 4.5, 4.7, 5, 5.5. It's amazing. I would use this mainly before I do like twist outs because it's that moisturizing. I don't know why I have a little bit left in here, but I started using the one out of this one. So I have two that are open. This one's brand new. Done. But yeah, y'all get this. It's amazing. Yeah. Next we have my favorite product by Main Choice, and I have 4 of them. If you have not watched my mini twist tutorial and haven't seen me use this on my hair, and you have not seen that definition it gives you when you put this on your hair, stop right here and go back. Go watch it. It's amazing, y'all. That's why I have 4 of them. I stocked up when they had their sale recently, and y'all, it's so good. I know some people use it in their wash and goes. You use it in a braid out, you use it in a twist out, you use it in whatever you want to use it in. Get it right now. If you don't listen to anything I recommend in this video, get this. It's amazing. 5 out of 5, 10 out of 5, 20 out of 5, all that. I have the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Mask. And this, I use this as a deep conditioner in my mini twist tutorial. It was my first time trying it, so I didn't really know what to expect. I didn't sit in it to dry it like 30 minutes like I probably should have. It only said 15 minutes, but I sat on it for 15 minutes. And it moisturized it, but it wasn't as good as my 4-leaf clover mask that I have. So I would recommend the 4-leaf clover over this mask, but it was decent. I'll probably give this about a 3.75, but you know, you can try if you want to, but I do have this in my collection. I will use it up. Next, we have the Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Sealing Cream. So I'm mad at this product, y'all, because it say Endless Moisture Sealing Cream. So I was expecting I was about to have moisture for days. Nope, it's not moisture for days. It's not. I was very sad. I was very sad. So I put this on my hair right before I did a twist out, and it did not give me any moisture. And I put it on wet, damp, warm hair, and it still didn't penetrate in my natural hair. I do have a little porosity. It might be a factor, but yeah, no. I would not buy this again, and it's basically full. I'll probably give this away soon. Now we have the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion. So this is pretty good. I like this one. I do like this one. I did have their mask as well, and that mask is pretty decent, but this I think is better. Well, no, that mask was actually better than this. I used it all up. I should buy another one, but it's a little expensive. And I have a lot of other deep conditioners that I can use, but this was good, and it was good for what I used it for right before it twists out. You can use it before a wash and go. It's supposed to help like prevent like dry, brittle hair, and it helps. I think it's like mainly just to help defeat breakage, but I liked it. But I would give it about a 4.0. I wouldn't like rave about it like I do like some of my other leave-in conditioner that you will see later on, but I'll give it a 4. It was way better than this one. That's all I know. This is horrible. This is trash. And next we have the Proceed with Caution line. I have the 4-way conditioner, co-wash, leave-in, detangler, rinse out. Y'all saw me use this in my first video. I'm just using this up till it goes away. I'm not gonna repurchase it. It does help detangle it, but it wasn't worth, I don't think it's nothing to worth raving about or anything like that. So I would give this like a 4. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch it. I know I keep on talking about my video, but y'all, go watch it. Go watch it. But yeah, I have this in my collection. So this is a, what I say? I don't know if I said a 3. I also have the Proceed with Caution, Killer Curls and Brutal Bounce, Stop the Damage Pre or Post Mask. So I used this as a pre-poo before. It was decent. I typically pre-poo when I have my hair like in the wash and go state. Because when that hair is in the wash and go state, you can't really like twist it and make sure it's nice and tangled the whole way down. It's just a wash and go. So I have used it after that, and it did help me wash it. But the deep conditioning aspect of this, it wasn't as good as what I thought it was going to be. So I probably would not buy this again as well. Neither one of these would be something I would repurchase, but it would be like a 3 in my book. And the last Main Choice product we have is the Killer Curls and Brittle Bounce Look Both Ways Hair and Edge Gel. So y'all, this is a cute little product. It has 2 sides. You see? And it has some hair in it, so I'm not gonna show y'all the complete inside of it. But it has a side that's a gel, hair gel, and the other side is a edge gel. I kind of wish they would have put just the edge gel in one, because I do like that edge gel. I would use that to slick my edges right before I put another like stronger like edge gel pomade over it. But nice and tacky. Kind of reminds me of the Gorilla Snot, but it does not flake like the Gorilla Snot did. I have used the hair gel on my hair as well, and it was very moisturizing, but it was not going to extend my wash and go to like last like 7 days like I usually get out of it. It would only do it for maybe like 4 days because it was so moisturizing. It didn't really hold, and then, you know, humidity gets in your hair and it just goes and causes it to poof. So it was okay, but I would rate this product as a 4.25. That gel is moisturizing nevertheless, so that's always an option for you. That's all my main choice products. These are all empty bins now. And let's just go to the next one. All right, guys. So I thought that I would be able to go to the next section, but these sections got really long. So we're just going to break this up into hopefully just 2 videos. It might end up being 3. I don't want them longer than 12 minutes just to keep y'all's attention. We're going to end right here, y'all. Just like, comment, and subscribe, and share it out, all right? Thanks, guys. Bye.